Hey there folks, we've got a Temu tech haul to unbox today. Got a little bit of a mixed bag. I got 2 items for photography, some accessories for photography and videography, as well as a 6-strip outlet. Actually, it's a little more than just a 6-strip outlet, so we'll get into that here in a second, and some headphones. So let's go ahead and get unboxing. All right, so we got the package here. I've already torn it apart a little. That way it's a little easier to pull the items out. So as I said, we have 4 items to unbox here. And here they are. So let's go ahead and get started with the headphones. The model number for these are KZ-EDX Pros. These are in-ear monitors. So I wanted to test these out to see if I can use these while I'm recording these videos. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we've got. All right, you get the user's guide as well as a little warranty. As far as accessories go, let's see what we have. So we've got some different sized ear tips. And the audio cable that connects to the earbuds themselves, and it is translucent so you can see the copper wiring on the inside. And it's got a pretty good length on them, so that's a plus. Now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So the earbuds do come with ear tips already installed. So in total you get 3 pairs, different sized pairs, so that you can find the one that's going to work best for you. Let's take a closer look at the earbud. And you can see here it has like a chrome looking piece that's going to be facing out there. They are see-through, so you can see all of the electronics on the inside, which is very cool. And then here is the connector that's going to go plugged into the cable. I've already got some in-ear monitors that I'm using right now, so I'm going to swap those out for these. Okay, I've got them plugged in. I can tell you right off the bat, they sound pretty good. I am going to have to play around with the ear tips a little bit, try these different sizes, because the ones that are on the earbuds themselves right now don't fit very well, but I can tell you that they are sealing in fairly well. They do sound good. I'm going to turn up the volume here. So you're just going to have to take my word for it, but they do have a very good sound. It has a good bottom end for earbuds, and also it has a nice mid-range presence and a real nice rolled off high end. So it has a pretty good balanced sound in my opinion, and I think the sound is going to improve once I find the right fit for my ears. So these are very cool. I think I'm going to start using these for these type of recordings. The next item we have here is an 8-outlet power strip, and this one is model number 772. It looks like the manufacturer of this one is WakeSmart or WakeSmart? WakeSmart probably. Let's take a look at what we have here. Now you do get the standard user's manual, warranty in the back. Now it does come with this nice nylon braided power cable, and the power cable is 5 feet in length, and it features a flat connector head. Now here's the power strip itself, and you've got 4 grounded AC outlets up on top, and on the side you got an additional 4 outlets here, but these are not grounded. You have your on and off switch here, which is also the fuse, so if the fuse does pop, this is where you reset it. You get 2 USB type A ports here and a USB type C port. It shows that the total output is 2.4 amps. On the bottom, you can see the model number here, which is 772. And then you also have these mounting holes here. That way you can mount it underneath the desk if you want to. In addition to that, you got these little rubber pieces here. That way, if you put it on a desktop, it's not going to slide around. We now have this power strip plugged in, so let's go ahead and flip this to the on position. And there is an indicator light. It's a little difficult to see, but you can see this little blue light that illuminated there to let you know that the power strip is on. Overall, this power strip is going to come in very handy, being that it has these USB ports. It's going to eliminate some, power adapters. And in addition to that, you've got the 4 grounded AC outlets up on top, and then the non-grounded ones on the side. So that gives you some options there. The last 2 items that we have here are camera accessories. These are known as magic arms. And this first one here is an 11-inch magic arm, and it comes with a clamp, which is very nice because these I highly recommend having a ton of these accessible to give you a lot of different options to be able to mount different accessories if you are doing any photography or videography work. And here is the 11-inch arm itself. It does come with some pieces here, mounting pieces already on there. And let's go ahead and open this up. So when you loosen this piece right here, it loosens both ends as well as the arm. So once you have it in position the way you want it, all you got to do is lock this in, tighten it up, and now the end pieces here are locked in place. And it holds on very strongly. So that's one of the things I wanted to see how well this magic arm would turn out for me, and looks like it's going to serve me well here. So this is an 11-inch magic arm that comes with the clamp, and the clamp does have a 1/4-20 mounting screw hole, and I believe that's a 3/8 or 5/8. I can't remember the size, but the larger size there. So you have a couple of options there. Overall, this magic arm does feel premium. It's made of aluminum, and it has some weight to it. So this is definitely a piece that feels like it's going to be able to hold on to my cameras, and I won't have to worry about the arm coming loose. So the one we just unboxed is an 11-inch magic arm. This one here is a 10-inch magic arm. So a little bit shorter, 2 different manufacturers, but nonetheless, they have similar accessories. So we've got the clamp here similar to the one that we just took a look at with the 2 different screw holes here. And here is the magic arm. Now, in this set, you don't get as many little accessories like you do on the other one, but nonetheless, the important piece is the magic arm. So this one is a 10-inch magic arm, also made of aluminum. It feels very sturdy. This one has a larger knuckle here to be able to tighten it down. So once it is tightened down, again, this is holding very sturdy. So this is not one that I'm going to be worried about coming loose. So this piece feels like it's built very well and very sturdy, as the other one that we had unboxed as well. So another good find on Temu. So there you have it, folks. That is our Temu Tech haul. If you're new here, my name is Adrian. I'm a tech enthusiast, and I love everything related to tech and photography. So if you're into that type of content, do consider subscribing. And on that note, I will see you on the next one.